Want to lock your apps with a password on your iPhone without using complicated workarounds? With iOS 18, Apple has finally introduced a built-in feature to hide and lock apps behind Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to lock apps with a password on an iPhone using iOS 18. Let's get started. For years, iPhone users have relied on screen time limits and guided access to restrict app usage. But with iOS 18, Apple has introduced a native way to lock apps with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. This new feature not only lets you lock apps, but also hide them completely from your home screen and app library for extra privacy. To start, unlock your iPhone and find the app that you want to lock on the home page. Keep your finger on an app until you see a menu. From the menu, select Require Passcode. You will have two options. Require a passcode will keep the icon on the home screen, but will ask you every time you open the app a passcode or Face ID. The Hide and Require Passcode will hide the app from the home screen and add the app to the hidden folder in the app library. This app has now been hidden. How can you find this app? Swipe until you get to the app library. You will see a folder called Hidden. If you tap on it, you will need to put your passcode or Face ID. After that, you will see the content of the folder and you can use the apps. If you want to remove the passcode, you can just keep your finger on the app and tap on Don't Require Passcode. With iOS 18, locking and hiding apps on iPhone has never been easier. Whether you lock apps with Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, or completely hide them from your home screen, these new privacy features ensure your personal apps stay protected from prying eyes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.